I guess I'm getting the Tesla, people. There's no way that 85 that fast, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the Tesla, nigga. Fuck you trouble.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be.
Get out of it, walk away, and turn it off.
Okay.
See that little car right there?
Yes.
That. And then you see where it says steering?
Yes.
And then this button does it.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
That gave me so much more space.
Yeah. And then,
Mad space.
and your mirrors are done on the same one too. You do both the left and right, and you're on here too.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Where
So
you
it-
go to your settings when you get in the car, I think it's really cool. Is that the profile stays in your phone? So if you go rent a Tesla somewhere and Bluetooth it,
That's cool.
That's mad cool.
Okay. What year is this one?
we
Okay.
don't have any of those.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
We sell them. This is the best selling car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is cool.
I know why.
If you put your foot on the brake phone,
Nice.
This
He has
is
so
really
much
nice.
space in it too.
Yeah.
How does it feel? You
It
comfy?
feels good. I like it.
You get mad. You
The
still
seat-
have leg space.
Adjusting
too?
the seat was like perfect.
Yeah.
So my legs got so much space.
because you're both driving, you got like 40 minutes to something.
Okay.
Get back to right
Okay.
Okay.
Great.
Again, remember, there's nothing to do to turn it off. Just grab the key and close it.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, y'all. So we are currently at Tesla
So do you go out that way?
test drive. Maybe we should like go around first. What you think?
That's what everybody's doing, right? Nah, he about to go out this way. So just go down, right? So
Down. So here you go. Yeah.
my foot is off. Should I hit the gas? I'm not so scared to drive this shit.
The only thing weird is the braking. So
Yeah.
once you get used to that, try it now. Like,
Yeah,
see, feel
that's,
it.
yo, that's fucking nuts. I'm getting a Tesla, so
You want to try to go around
fine.
before you get on the highway, or you
Yeah, I'm
good?
about to just do this shit.
You got your phone in your pocket?
I do. You want it?
Yeah. So I can record while you do this.
Play some music, man.
All right, so we're at Tesla, test driving the Model Y.
Where you want to go?
I guess just go down and then, or maybe go down and then make a right when you can, so we're not in a bunch on this highway.
Okay. Yo, you don't gotta. This shit stop without using your brake. Without using the brake. Yo, this shit.
You got
crazy.
so much space, like it's crazy. How was it getting in? That was cool too.
It was a little tight, but once I adjusted everything, we straight. Yeah, I got the Tesla, nigga. Fuck you, trouble. Yo, this is fun.
Go ahead.
This is smooth as fuck. Nah, this is weird.
It's
All right.
weird, right? The braking is weird.
The braking is weird. He said he got 160,000 miles on his Tesla, and he still got the same brakes. Nah, this shit stopped mad fast, bro.
Yeah.
Nah, I want this car, brother.
I'm glad we came to test
Should I
drive
go
it.
right?
Yeah. I wish this highway wasn't so busy, so you can like.
It's not even a highway.
Basically, this shit is a highway.
The way they drive, right?
Mm-hmm.
This shit's showing me all the cars I'm passing.
This is one of the rear view cameras, I guess.
Yo, this is nuts. Yo, yo this shit's like a new roller coaster.
Mm-hmm.
This is tough though. Let me see. Yo, this shit is fast. Why is it traffic everywhere though? I'm trying to just drive.
Oh, it's just a bus. That's all.
Oh,
There's
okay.
nobody.
I gotta get used to the brake on
It's
it.
weird, right?
I know, this is crazy.
But yeah, so let me just say, we're at Tesla, test driving the Model Y. And so far, so good.
Your shit is fire.
Yeah. He has, the issue that we have with a lot of the cars that we like look at for him is he doesn't have a lot of space. Like, and a lot of the SUVs are like, like he wants that luxury but sporty look. And I feel like the Model Y does that. Like, you know? And it gives him mad space. We got this fire ass roof.
Got the
whatever.
panoramic, man.
I don't think it opens though. It's just a.
Nah, it don't need to. This shit is so solid. Feel this. Brick.
But yeah, this is fire so
Yo,
far.
set up my phone though, B.
Alright, yeah.
See what the system sound like, B.
Let's see what we talking about.
Yo, I don't gotta hit the brake now. The brake though. This fire though. Oh, Bus, you been holding us up this whole time.
I know.
Not
And it's
even a
not
bus
even
stop.
stop.
What you
Yeah.
been doing? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Just press Rap X. I think that's a radio station.
We the best music. See you coming up like a lady.
That's that shit sound like.
That's crazy.
What y'all say? Straight? I'll make it right.
Stay straight. Seems like it's less traffic. Straight. Gotta get used to this braking.
I'm used to it now. You know I'm a professional driver.
Still like hard, but not bad. Alright, let's see how we can change.
Let me tell you all the fuckery all these cars be doing behind you.
Again.
Let me see what this shit. How fast this shit go. Whoa. The Volkswagen.
What is up with you in this fake Jamaican accent?
This shit is so fire though. You can scan the barcode on my phone and I think it just
Oh, bet.
You know this is a Tesla.
I know, this next level technologies.
Where the hell are we?
I have no idea.
See a lot of classics.
Oh, it's cute. A little area.
Yeah, it's a nice
Nice.
little. Dang, you don't feel nothing in this car either, by the way. You don't feel shit in this car
I ain't never been over here.
either.
He was saying 40 minutes. That's a good minute to break. Tesla is on they shit. Like, you got a whole 40 minutes by ourselves. Like, you know.
Yeah, my Apple ID is my name, my email address. I'm here for a second, baby Leo. Best impression.
Aw, shit. We in there. What song is this? Don't put it. That shit loud as hell.
All my niggas about that pussy.
This is my shit, though.
I'm here for a second, baby Leo. Best impression. Quiet up some vibes. All my niggas about that pussy.
Yo, this is how it's supposed to sound when you in the whip.
Facts.
And that's not even the loudest. That's crazy.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie, Tesla, y'all got it. Alright, go with
Yeah,
you.
they got it.
This shit is lit. But alright, y'all, we gonna check
Enjoy
back
this.
in once we,
You know what song I'm about to play, right? That Gemini Love.
Say I'm Como. I can't let them niggas trick me out of promo. No real thirsty ass wanna take a picture. Phone gas. I just took 2 Adderall. I don't want the G6. He'll still be there right now, but we ain't get it. He'll still be alive right now, we ain't get it. If you buy the 5 and your bitches on the passenger side, let it
it's only gonna go 85.
Oh, okay.
See how fast that was?
drop that top.
That shit hits that shit so fast.
It hit 85?
Yes, it was at 85.
I guess again, the Tesla people, there's no way that shit hit 85 that fucking fast, bro.
Yes. bro.
That's fucking crazy.
And you right now you doing 65. It don't even feel like it.
Yo, this shit the fastest shit on the market, bro.
You getting used to the brakes?
Yeah, I am.
That's good.
When you go at a faster rate, when we go like a little faster, it definitely like
Adjust.
the brakes don't stop as fast. You gotta press on the brakes.
Oh, okay.
Nah, we don't want to hear this.
I'm trying to look at what's that new Quavo Future song?
Just go to my library. This one.
Oh, is that what it's called? Turn your click up.
Bro, that shit went to 85 miles per hour in
So
like
fast.
4 seconds.
How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been cheap. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn these streets, can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses.
All right, so we back now.
For a second, baby, leave your best impression. Do I just pull up behind? Nah, right?
That's what he said. Yeah, I would just leave it. They need to move it. They can. We can like look at the rest of the car. Pull it here so it's not blocking service.
And then.
Oh dang! Somebody windshield.
Where?
First,
Somebody went you where?
like up there.
Just hit the park, right?
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, the steering wheel.
Let's look at the trunk and stuff.
Oh wait, I should probably pull up.
Okay.
Is there a car? Is something in front of this car?
I think so.
Oh, okay. But he said pull up right here, though, right?
Mhm.
I don't want to leave.
All right, let's look at the rest of the car.
Where's the key?
Right there.
This is the key?
Yeah. That's what you use when you like get gas and stuff too.
Let me get out this way.
So this is what we were driving. Oh, this is what he was driving. It's cute. What color would you? I mean, you'd probably get it wrapped anyway, right?
I'm getting it in red, or I'm gonna get it in the blue that I always like that smoky blue.
Yeah, that'd be fire. How you open a trunk?
Mad space.
What do these buttons do? Are these seats?
No.
Oh, that's the.
Should have got no spare down there though. Okay.
Then it got the front thing too.
Yeah.
What does this do?
Everything is electric size. That's so cool. Wait, I wanted to see how much space I had in the back. What? All
Mad
of this
space.
space still?
Yep. Usually his cars, the space be like right here, but somebody actually has like space.
Yo, look at this shit. Look.
Oh, those are the the cameras.
I'm definitely taking these shits off. The tires are perfect though. I'll just put some
Tires, yeah, just the
tires
rims
are perfect. The
themselves.
rims just gotta go.
How do you pop? Let's see how you pop the front trunk.
Why do you want to pop shit? What's wrong with you?
Cause don't you want to check out everything
It's
out?
all inside. That's what you should have been doing.
No, but that one's different. That's the expensive
This shit
one.
has no engine. It's a battery. It's probably in the front of the car. Or maybe it's enough thing. I just bought the new Tessie. Because I
Let me
ain't the
get
only
a-
one that's on Tessie game.
Yeah, this one is definitely like
This
mad
is the
nice.
one that I want, right?
Yeah.
It's the Y.
Yep. Mad cute. Oh yeah. What is that for?
Probably for your
Spare
tires,
something, yeah.
for your wheels.
Cool. All right, let me get the thumbnail. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, they probably just moved it, I guess.
He had a key.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. People be sleeping on the Teslas. The Teslas be alright. And that SUV had. You want to look at any of the other ones?
Nope, I want a Y.
50,000.
And they're having a deal. Like online, it's cheaper.
Yeah, all cars are cheaper online. Do you see how they did this too? This one is nice. I don't want
The
black,
black.
though. I want the color.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like the rims, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice.
it's fire. And
Definitely.
then on top of that, yo, the car is so you're not in the shop every
Right.
6 months on the car.
Right.
These cars are bogus as hell.
Yeah, this shit.
Not this car, but this car right here is special needs. But, like, you put platinum rims on a Hyundai.
Oh my gosh, that's how you know we in the South, bro. Oh.
I was about to ask if I could take that shit to Atlanta.
Yeah, that shit was fire. That shit was definitely fire. I'm so glad we did it
I'm
because
going online.
this week
Like
we just came up with the thought of like, okay, SUV Tesla, like let's see. And now it was like confirmation, almost. At least a really, really good option, even if you decide not to like go with it. But So we'll see. We are in the market for a new car for Josh. So hopefully, you know, at some point we will be, you know, signing away.
I'm getting a Tesla.
But yeah, it's giving Tesla. But yeah, so let us know what y'all think of the Tesla and then this Tesla, because that shit was fire. Like, comment down below what y'all think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, of course. And I guess we'll just see y'all in the next video. It's been fun.
It's been real.